What's up, my spooky babes and ghouls? Today I'm going to show you how I made a bat-shaped bow. I'm using a piece of faux leather fabric. This will give the bow a nice structure. I based the size of it on a piece of mail I had laying around. You can make this however size you'd like it to be. I then cut out the fabric I just traced out. Here's a little prototype I made. I'll be using this for my Monster High doll's hair. Next, I fold the fabric to create the bow shape. I pinched the middle together. I folded the ends in. I safety pin it in place. Next, I draw out the wing shaped on one side of the bow. I undo the bow and lay it flat. I then use that piece of mail to help me draw the other side of the bow. We don't want this to be crooked. I cut out the pieces of the wings I drew, and I do this to both sides. I then pin it in place. I cut off some more of the bottom of the wings to get the shape I want. Cut out a little strip of leather fabric for the center of the bow. I wrap this strip around the center and pin it in place. I sewed the strip in place to secure the bow. Next, I paint the back of the bow black to make it look more uniform. You can use this bow for anything such as gifts, hair accessories, etc. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more spooky content. I hope you guys have a safe and spooky day.